What's going on, guys? David here with you with DC Appliance Repair, and welcome back to another video. How's everybody doing? I know that we just had some storms to hit Louisiana and Texas. I hope that everybody that's in that area that's viewing my channel, and also my technicians that's in that area, hope that you're all safe, hope that you're all doing well. We just got in for the evening, and I just wanted to do this video to reach out to my people and just make sure that everybody's okay, and just want to say what's up. Everything's been going good here with me. We've been running the appliance repair business, and it's just been 100 mile an hour. And we got other businesses that's doing well and doing great, and we're thankful for that. And the stock market stuff's been doing great. We're thankful for that. And I hope that everybody's doing well. Hope that you're getting calls, and hope that you're continuing to grow your business. And I plan on doing some a different side of the channel. I know that some of you guys have already seen that I've already added a little bit of stock market stuff, and I think I'm going to add a little bit of maybe just talking about starting other businesses, not just appliance repair, but if you're somebody that's looking to be an entrepreneur, or get into making ways of making money. I've done lots of things to make money, a lot of things that has failed, a lot of things that has worked, a lot of things that worked well. But did I want to do it as a business? No. Does that mean that it didn't make money? Not at all. It made good money, but it just wasn't something that in particular I wanted to do for business. And so, I started out buying storage units at one time. I wasn't in appliance repair. I started off buying storage units. I wasn't flipping appliances from the beginning. I wasn't in appliance repair from the beginning. I was working at a grocery store, making 150 or 175 bucks a week, man, and just got married not too long ago. Hadn't had my baby girl yet, but I just got tired and made a decision that I can make more money for myself. Now, I had no clue, no idea on what I wanted to do. I just started looking for ways to make money, if it was cutting grass or, later on it come to be flipping appliances. And then, of course, that led to appliance repair business and where everything is now. But that being said, there's many things out here that you can do to for one, you may start off, let's just say I started off buying storage units. I started off buying and reselling different items, from furniture to little knickknacks to sporting goods to clothing to lawn equipment to all kind of different things like that to make a dollar, to make a profit. And so through that journey of me getting into that business and learning that, I learned a lot of, first of all, marketing skills. It sharpened my marketing skills. I learned how to, sorry if that's a little shaky there, I learned how to market. I learned about search engine optimization. I learned about writing ads, what was effective, what was not effective. I learned about my community, when to post, when not to post, what times was effective in my community to post. Did this ad or that ad work to sell this product in this area? No, but did it work well in another area? Yes. That's just for example. One was a smaller town, which I made more money in. But the thing is, though, was getting people to let you know that you was there. It was very hard, but once they found us, it was on from there. But it was more easier over in Pensacola, but it was just due to what we was selling and what the people was looking for in that smaller town versus they wasn't looking for over here in this bigger town. But there's different things like that. There's different things that plays effect in marketing, and I didn't mean to get off the subject on that, but I just wanted to give you an example of how when I was learning to be an entrepreneur, starting to make money for myself. Like I said, in no form, fashion, or way did I just start right here where I'm at. And I know you guys know that, but I just want to say that through all these starting different businesses, trying different things, just trying to hustle, man, just trying to make a living, just not just trying to make a living, but making a living and trying to build business for myself. At that time, didn't know what business I wanted to go at. I just knew that, hey, I got this many yards to cut. I got, I can go buy the storage unit over here, and I got a couple washers and dryers for sale. I was gravy. I was good, but for me, structurally, I needed more I needed more than that. You know, the grass was good, but eventually winter comes along. You can't, flip and buy, sell knickknacks and sporting goods all the time. Now, appliances, that's a different story because appliances is a necessity, and you need these sort of things all the time. But, I just wanted to give this as an example to say, continue to do whatever you're doing, regardless if it's appliance repair or regardless if it's flipping appliances or, however or whatever you're doing. You may have ran across my YouTube channel here and, you may be hustling and selling parts on eBay, or you may be, you may cut hair for a living, you may be a tutor. There's all kind of different things that you can do, but just because you're doing this particular thing, you may be getting started in appliance repair, but guess what? You might not end in appliance repair. You may go on to be doing something else, HVAC, or you may be going to do something else, and this may be the first thing that you decided to do was appliance repair. So I just wanted to use that as an example to continue to go forward, continue to, first thing, God's in control of everything. I don't care what nobody says. What's going on in this world, the Lord's in control of everything. And so I've had a lot of ups and downs in my life, but God kept me and He led me to this. And He told me that He was going to use me in appliance repair, and He's still continuing to do that this day. So I give Him the glory for that. But I just wanted to reach out to you guys, say hello, say what's up, let you know that I'm still here. I haven't posted a lot of videos on appliance repair related stuff. I've been doing, more stock stuff, but hey, I'm still doing appliance repair, man. That's 100 mile an hour, and I still got content and plan to put on content, and still enjoy hanging with you guys. Just wanted to say what's up. So appreciate each and every one of you, and shout out to everybody in my tech group. Shout out to everybody that's in my stock group. Appreciate each and every one of you guys, man. We out here making this money. So that's what it's all about, right? All right. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a good one.